What's up, everybody? Gcast here, and I almost had a catastrophic failure. So I was printing with the printer here, and I noticed a burning wire smell. So I thought I'd look, and I stopped the printer mid-print. I was printing out this slingshot here, and I'd been running the printer pretty hard all day, and so I did a look through of all the electronics, feeling the wires, and one of the power wires coming into the ramps board was overheating, and I saw this connector here, which plugs into the back there, was melting and putting off a really bad smell. So as you can see here, it's got some damage to it, and it was about ready to light on fire. So even the screw is kind of burnt. So I just cut off the bad part, split it in half, because I have some of these half plugs here. So here's the one I cut off the bad part from, so I'll still use it. I went to Unitop today to try and find a replacement, and I was unable to find one. This was the closest thing I could find to it, and I think this will work. I'm going to use this on another board because I don't have any more of these connectors here, and the way I'm doing it is I'm just cutting them off one by one, and then I'm going to glue them all together and make my own custom connector there. I'll let you know in a future video how that turns out. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and guys, don't leave your printers unattended. Especially at the beginning. Make sure all your wires are really firmly connected by giving them a good pull. It turns out the reason why this happened was because my wire was not quite connected in there all the way. It kind of pushed out a little bit when I tightened it down. And if you smell any burning plastic, burning rubber, or burning wire smell, make sure you stop the printer immediately and check all the wires connections. Like I said in a previous video, these wires here are notorious for burning out. They come with the heated ends, and a lot of the kits have those wires in them, and they're pretty crummy. I've had a lot of them fail and burn out on me, especially in the points where they bend. So that would be the first thing I would check. And once I realized it wasn't that, I started looking over a little bit more, and I found this was bubbling up here. So the next step would have been a fire. So it's a good thing I was here next to the printer, and I was able to catch that before the printer caught on fire. So just an important reminder, especially with the DIY printers, that they are high maintenance, and you should never leave them alone unless you have them in a totally fireproof container. So thanks for watching, guys.